Hi guys, I'm Mukhtar Joya, Director General Shaheen Short and System, Judiciary Notes, page number 9 and 10, dictation speed 100 words per minute. If you want dictation at 80 words per minute, then set speed on 0.75, and if you want dictation at 120 words per minute, then set speed on 1.25. Ready? Start. It is demonstrably clear from these drastic amendments made in the Family Court Act, including the new provisions added therein, that the legislature was well aware of the miseries and plight of the wives seeking relief through the obsolete law then in vogue, thus to minimize the same. Not only all matrimonial disputes were brought under one and the same umbrella of the family court, but also provided for the target date both for the family court and for the appeal court, by which such cases shall be decided conclusively. Full stop. The jurisdiction and powers of all other courts thus stand excluded in these matters, much less civil court. Therefore, pushing one of the other party to the civil court would be in clear violation of the mandatory provision of the law on the subject and would amount to reverse the efficacious remedies available to them under the new scheme of law. Full stop. In the case of dissolution of marriage on the basis of khula, a full bench of the High Court in the case, while interpreting and construing all these new provisions introduced in the Family Court Act, held that the relevant provisions of the Family Court Act 1964 and that of Muslim Family Laws Ordinance 1961 were ultra vires to the extent that the wife has to return the dower in case of dissolution of marriage on the basis of khula, because under the Islamic injunction and according to the relevant verses of Holy Quran, the wife has only to return the other benefits given to her by way of gift, tick, full stop, and not the dower amount, because that is most essential consideration for valid contract of marriage, being a civil contract which cannot become binding and valid unless the consideration is paid. Full stop. In the said judgment, many guidelines and principles have been laid down, and till that the said judgment holds the fields which needs to be followed and regarded without any exception unless and until it is set aside by the Supreme Court. Full stop. Under the provision of section 17 of the Act 1964, all the provisions of Kanun Shahadat Order 1984 and that of Civil Procedure Code have been expressly excluded in its application to the cases tried by the family courts, thus pushing the wives to the civil courts in view of the ouster clause in the above provisions would be against the statutory law, binding in nature, and any judgment of any court in conflict of the statutory law shall be ineffective to that extent, because the latter occupies the high pedestal, and unless it is declared ultra vires of the Constitution on the touchstone of the relevant provisions thereof, it shall have overriding and superimposing effects on the judgment of any court. Full stop. As in this case, the landed property given to the wife or the undertaking given in the Nikahnama to be transferred to her name is conclusive in nature and may be constituted as a part of dower or a gift in conclusive in nature and may be constituted as a part of dower or a gift in consideration of marriage. Therefore, it was falling within the exclusive domain of the family court at Multan, as the wife was residing there, which has not been denied by the respondent. Therefore, in our considered view, the district appeal court and the learned judge in chamber of the High Court, Multan bench, Multan fell into legal error by holding the view to the contrary. Full stop. Any departure made from the true object and spirit of law enacted by the legislature would defeat the same, which is not permissible under any canon of justice and principle of law, nor the courts are having any authority or powers to import their own opinion therein, defeating the clear intention of the legislature. And when the provisions of sections 16 to 20 of the CPC stand excluded from the proceedings. Stop writing, please.